If you wish to change the background in the Messages app on Samsung Galaxy S26, if you use Google Messages app, then unfortunately it is not possible to change the background. There is simply no option that would allow you to change the background. If you go to the details or something, there is no way to do so. So to be able to change the background, you actually need to use another messaging app that allows you to do so, like for example the Samsung Messages app. In order to get that app, we need to go to the Galaxy Store. Over here we can search for Samsung Messages. Over here we can of course start typing it. There we go. And you should be able to find the app pretty easily. Of course, we need to install it and set it up. This app was pre-installed for pretty much every Galaxy smartphone in the past, but after some time recently, since some time, this app is no longer included by default, and Samsung decided to use Google Messages app instead. Now, once we go through the permissions, we need to tap on OK button in here, and we need to switch from Google Messages to the Samsung Messages app and confirm that you want to set it as default. Now, we can of course create a conversation over here. We can include whoever should be in that conversation. And if you want to change the background for your conversation, then you need to tap on these three dots in the upper right corner once the conversation has started, and then we have the option to customize the chat room. Over here we can change the color, we can adjust the bubble opacity, the text contrast as well, and you can tap on the gallery icon in order to choose a photo from your gallery. So you can have a custom background just like that. Let's say we're gonna set up something like this. And there we go. Now we should be able to go back, and the theme or the background change is immediately applied. You can also set up this style, this customization to all chat rooms that you have in this app. Leave a like and subscribe.